if you know me, this is my Smart Roadster that I got a couple of months ago. We did a software update on it, and when we took it for the road test, the clutch went. So today it's in the garage and we're going to change the clutch. So if you've been watching my socials before, you know I've come from castings where the clutch is this big. But now, standard clutch for this car, this big. A few special tools we need for this job. Torx bits, a specially made tool Dad made to do the clutch, E-sockets, and a 21 multi-point socket. Just trying to get this rear end off so we can get to all the bolts necessary a little bit easier to make this job just slightly easier. So when we bought the car, it came with this crack. So while we got it off, we're going to try hot staple it and repaint it so it looks brand new.
Grind the ends off. You cut them off.
So there's a few parts we need to take out before we can get to the clutch. The intercooler and all connected parts, the throttle body, and we need to take apart the suspension to gain access. About 2.5 hours into the clutch rebuild, whatever you call it, we managed to get the gearbox casing off, and now we have access to the clutch right there. So next job is to get it off, replace it, and then we can start on the rebuild process. Right, so the car's all rebuilt, we've got the clutch back in. Now we've got the Delphi plugged into the computer for the final stage, which is to do a clutch relearn process by plugging this end into the car. So now that's plugged in, we can ask the car to bed in the clutch by pulsing the clutch actuator. So the engine's all heated up now, so the computer's going to try to figure out the clutch drag point by trying to stall the car. So 28% is good because it shows that you've practically got a brand new clutch in there, which it has, and the clutch point is at 20% of the full clutch range. Job done! So just inspecting the old clutch, as you can see there's not much of it left, and there's a few cracks in the flywheel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get this to the track.